this brush and this color, I'm going to use it as an eyeliner. Going to tight line. Put them on. Mascara, just tiny bit. Maybelline Sky. Time to dust it off, all this. Revolution Glow Fix. So we're gonna bring a bit of the glow. Do the lower line, lower lashes. I'm just taking this like pencil type brush and I'm just gonna take this color and I'm gonna smoke it out. I did blend it, smoked out my eyes, and I'm just gonna go back to this. Do mascara on my lower lash. Line my lips. Gonna put some lip gloss. I believe this is from Primark. I don't want anything too much on my lips, just a little bit, so finally, a little bit of highlighter, just the bridge of my nose. Just gonna use my finger to blend. These are made by Micho highlighters. A liquid blush, and I'm using it on my going over with it with my blush brush. Just have more of that. Just gonna tidy up my hair. So guys, this is the finished look. So I'm gonna be going soon. I'm wearing a dress. I'm just going to put on my boots and